Howdy folks. Well, I want to give you a little money saving tip. You know, when you go and get the first set of chickens, they tell you you need to buy these little things to water them with, and there's a little feeder and everything else. No. You're going to spend about 20-30 bucks to buy one of those little things? No. How about you just buy a gallon of water for $1? And what are we going to do with this? Well, I got some nice scissors right here. I'm going to cut it right here in the middle where I want to use it. And we're just going to go ahead and cut up all the way to one side, back to the other side. Try to make sure you can see this. Makes it hard on the camera angle. Basically do the same thing as you do on the one side as the other side. I'm going to cut up on the side here to a certain point, and I'm going to cut it right down the middle again, and I'm going to cut it up over here on the other side to that certain point. And I'm just going to cut across this top. There you go. You know what this is? You can put water in this and move it around easily, or you can put chicken feed in it. See that? And you already paid $1 for the drinking water, for the gallon of water. So what does this cost you? Free. And do you have to clean it? No. When it gets dirty, you throw it out in the garbage and you make another one. And you spend $1 and it's got a dual purpose. So I want you to think about this. Whatever you paid for this, $5 or $10 or something like that. The bigger ones are like $30 for this. You already paid $1 to drink the water out of it. So basically it's being used for free now. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe, like, and hit the thumbs up.